Okay, Skip, she's on the way.
Copy, thanks, James. Back in there, looks like, huh?
Grand Canyon Railway number 29 is a 2-8-0 Consolidation type steam locomotive built by Alco in 1906 for the Lake Superior and Ishpeming Railway. The locomotive was designed to haul carloads of iron ore. The locomotive was retired from service in 1962 and was sold to the Marquette and Huron Mountain as number 29. The locomotive was donated to the Grand Canyon Railway in 1989 and was put in the shop for restoration to working order. Number 29 went into service on the Grand Canyon in the spring of 1990. In 1901, the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railway completed a branch line from Williams to Grand Canyon Village at the South Rim. The first scheduled train to carry paying passengers of the Rio Grande Railway arrived from Williams on September 17, 1901. To accommodate travelers, the Santa Fe designed and built the El Tovar Hotel, located just 20 feet from the canyon rim. El Tovar opened its doors in January of 1905. Competition from the automobile forced the Santa Fe to cease operation of the Grand Canyon Railway in July 1968, although it continued to use the tracks for freight into 1974. In 1988, the line was bought by Max and Thelma Biegert, a couple from Phoenix, Arizona. The railway was restored and in 1989 began operations as a separate company independent of the Santa Fe. The first run of the railway was on September 17, 1989, commemorating the September 17th debut of the original railroad. In 2006, Xanterra bought the railroad. Xanterra is a corporate name and identity for what was originally known as the Fred Harvey Company, with ties to the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railway as far back as 1876. Citing environmental concerns, steam locomotive operations on the Grand Canyon Railway were suspended in September 2008, but returned in 2009 when Xanterra converted the steam locomotives to operate using vegetable oil and installed a rainwater collection system on the maintenance building to fill boilers when available. Since 2011, special occasion trips and at least one round trip per month during the summer is operating using a steam locomotive. On October 26th and 27th of 2019, Trains Magazine sponsored a photo charter featuring number 29 pulling vintage Pullman cars from the 1920s. This is one of its last runs before being taken out of service because its boiler inspection has expired.